What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to change those little heater hose connections on the Chevy Avalanche. Let's get to it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're changing the heater core connectors on the Chevy Avalanche. Now, as you guys know, on the Chevy they have them in plastic. Almost every Chevy is like this, or if not all are like this. They're plastic connections. In order to find yours, you just follow these two heater hose lines here and all the way to the wall right there. They're plastic. They get brittle over time with the heat and the use of coolant over and over and over again. So after doing some shopping and looking around, I ended up finding some metal ones, and this is what I'm going to replace them with. Now, they're super easy to replace. Obviously, in order to do this, you're going to need one of these quick disconnect tools. They're like 20 bucks, something like that. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys, and I'll also leave the link in the description for the metal connectors. Now, these things are so much more durable than the plastic ones. I am happy that I found these, and the reason I'm replacing these is because, ow, I just hurt myself. Let me get this out real quick. So here it is. The reason I am replacing this is because we are going on a long road trip, transporting some stuff from Jersey to Florida, about 1,200 miles, and this is known to crack and break on the most randomest times. So to avoid that happening, I got the metal ones. These are way more durable, and we're gonna pop them in now. What is up, guys? So I want to say sorry for not completing the video on the quick disconnect tool. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for y'all to watch how to actually disconnect it. It's not one of my videos, it's a video that I found online to help you guys out. Camera had died on me, and I do not know why my battery's not really holding much charge. I guess I need a new one because it's already almost dead right now. And yeah, so basically what I showed you is the process of doing it, but I didn't get to finish, so I'll just put that video out anyway because I need to fill up the time so I don't miss my goal of uploading every day, even though sometimes they make no sense, so I apologize for that. But I do promise for 2022, when it comes out, it's going to be quality videos. Like, I'm not going to be doing the everyday thing because it's a killer. I don't know how much time I'm going to be posting throughout the week, maybe once or twice in the week, maybe one time a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. I don't know, because I'm really gonna try to get quality videos for you guys out there now, instead of just pushing stuff out. Everything is going to be quality, everything will be covered, and that's what I really want to do now with this channel. I want to take it to another level. So I just want to finish out this year. Obviously, I'm trying to push for quality and quantity at the same time. Some videos aren't coming out in the quality way I expect, but they are coming out in the quantity way, and I don't want to be known for just pushing out stuff. I want to be known for quality. So stay tuned for that in 2022, the next half of the year. But other than that, guys, I am sorry that I didn't get to finish it. Camera died. I should have walked with extra batteries, but I didn't. And as you can see, we are still in the mess. So the moving truck is coming to pick up this half of the stuff, and this half will come back for later. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I'll leave everything in the link in the description below. Peace.